Yeah, look at that. Meteor 350. Nice colour, isn't it? I haven't seen them in those colours before. They're marvellous, aren't they? But I'm not here to look at that. I'm here to look at this. Yeah, BSA Bantam. Look at that. That's just marvellous, isn't it? Oh, I had so much fun on these. Racing around the back garden. Been run over by one. Yeah, my brother's mate ran me over. We used to build gaskets faster than anything. I've muttered about it. You might remember the story. But look at it. This one is immaculate. It's in far better condition than any of ours were. This has done 3,500 miles. Look at that. You could take out a few pedestrians with that nowadays. Just splendiferous. This is the D14-4. Yeah. Obviously 2-stroke. Yeah. The chain doesn't look too small, does it? No, but this is just in immaculate condition. Yeah. All metal. All metal. Tiny weeny little tank. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. No, let's have a look. That is really tiny. If I put my hand there, you get a rough idea. Yeah. Marvellous. Basic controls, no indicators of course. Don't need them, you've got arms. What do you want indicators for? Yeah, look at these switches. Marvellous. I wish they'd go back to those now. I'd really like that. It's advanced with that choke. Yeah, and this exhaust. I mean, what do you make of that? Look at that, I don't remember that bit at all. There you go, number plate, SID. Oh, fantastic number plate as well, SID 19G. That's marvellous, isn't it? Big comfy seat. Yeah, what a hoot. I was talking to Andy and he reckons that these are going to take off big time as well and end up being worth far more than they should be. But there you go. I had to show you this little baby properly. All metal. We'll call him Sid. Yeah, please do not sit on this bike. Not for sale. I won't. And I won't buy you either then. That's just marvellous, isn't it? That they're still doing these. Absolutely marvellous. These are marvellous too, of course. But that's special and deserves a bit of respect. So there you go. BSA Bantam D14-4. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Kawasaki KH250, marvellous, but not here to look at that. Look at this. Yeah. Classic 500. Black stealth one. It's marvellous, isn't it? Don't know how many miles it's done. But it looks splendiferous. Let's have a look. It's done 1,500 miles. Look at that. That's marvellous. And next to it, another one of Bertie's cousins, a Bullet. Yeah, Royal Enfield Bullet 500. Marvellous. Drum rear brake. Not sure what year it is. Let's have a look. 6616. Yeah, £3,200. If you want a 500, and I highly recommend that you try a 500 before you buy a 350. There's one here. That's marvellous. Look at that. Different filler cap to Bertie, and this one's only done 1,200 miles. That's just marvellous, isn't it? Look at that. That is splendiferous. I wonder if Mrs. Tame would like it. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Mrs. Tame on this, mind you, I'd just pinch it off her all the time. Yeah, that is splendiferous. But so is this. But this is over £5,000. That's what they go for now. If you want a classic 500, you need to pay for it. Yeah, marvellous. So I'll leave you with that thought. Now, £3,299. And I bet you'd get some off that if you wanted. Yeah. It's got St. Piper's Bertie look as well. Has it got a baffle in? Let's have a look. No, it hasn't. It hasn't. Oh, no. Oh, yes, it has. It has got baffle in. Yeah. There you go. I was wrong. Yeah, just didn't put my finger in far enough. Story of my life. Bye bye.